All right, everyone. Welcome to this newest episode of Drink With Me Around the World series. Hold up, let me get the remote out of here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's see. I don't want. Oh, there you go. Okay. Sorry about that. Just setting up this bad boy because we are on a paddleboard, and it takes a lot to get this thing situated. Okay, so I gotta be quick with this because, as you can see, yeah, okay, I got my little bottle of flor de caña. Salud. And let's enjoy a little drink. I'll do like little sips here and there, but as you can see, between this the camera and everything, I gotta be super careful. And I just knocked the camera, but it's okay, because this is what we're here for. One of the craziest episodes of the Drink With Me Around the World series. Yeah. So I'll do like little drinks here and there. I do really gotta be careful. Okay. All this for the views. So I'm on a paddleboat right now. I should show y'all. I'm on a paddleboat, and this is like the setup that I have right now. Yeah, and I jumped off that like 3 times. Okay, jumped off that shit like 3 times. Yeah, and we're just enjoying. Yeah. This episode brings us to somewhere near Manuel Antonio National Park. They're cooking. You can't smell this, but they're cooking right now. Okay, and so yeah, they're oh wow, they're cooking something delicious, I can tell. So let me try to paddleboard myself. All this for the views. All this for the views. Let's take a sharp turn. Let's take a sharp turn. Right about there. Yeah. I'll take another sip of the flor de caña. But as you can see, I got a lot going on. I have a lot going on right now. I'll do this video until I can't do it anymore. Until I'm either a danger to myself or the gas or the equipment. But I'm over here chilling.
The kids already have 2 years of college done when they're freshmen in high school. So it's just how do you compete against that?
Would you like to, y'all want to see a little bit, maybe a little bit more greenery. Maybe a little bit more greenery. Yeah. Is that better? I think that's a much better view, yeah. Oh, look at this. Yeah. Damn. This is my waterproof bag. Keeps everything safe as soon as I feel like I'm in danger. Look at that. Yeah, man, this drink with me around the world series is lit, yo. Is hella lit. I mean, look at this view. It couldn't be more a perfect day. Let's do it along the boat. Along the boat. We got someone right in the tube right behind them. All right, so we got this view. We got that view. Give you a whole little 360. Give you a whole little 360. And that was it right there. Yeah. Let me go ahead and turn this around because this right here is insane. And very fortunately, the waves are super calm. So I can set this up on a tripod and be perfectly fine. Like for example, let me go ahead and set this up on a tripod. Yeah, I'm getting my money's worth off this tripod. Like seriously. Yeah. Oh, maybe I should up it. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Look at it. This shit is crazy. Okay. All right. Open up the little bag. We're drinking, okay? Little flor de caña. Little flor de caña.
And he came out and it was literally a wrap all around his leg. And he came out screaming from
Okay.
the water. And then
We got the little flor de caña. I don't want to get fucked up. Or I don't want to get trashed. So I'm gonna edit that out. Yeah. This is my pro tip. This waterproof bag, and the tripod is holding up really nicely, to be honest. And look, there's like no waves. There's like zero waves. How fortunate. Not only is it the most beautiful day for a little boat tour, okay? Like, look at this. Okay? All right. For this episode, I'm not going to, because it's like a lot, right? So I'm not going to do the chairs, but a drink for you, a drink for me, upon a boat across the sea. Upon a boat across the sea. We drink the lot and have some fun. Oh. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. Salud. Yo, the tripod is holding up really nice. Okay. Yeah, let me enjoy. I gotta enjoy this, okay? So thank you all so much for joining me on another episode of the Drink With Me Around the World series. I am Mr. Jet Set Inc. and I am out. I'll see you at the next spot.